Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Cooler Master Sickleflow 120 ARGB Case Fan, and then I'll install it in my computer so you can see what it looks like once it's installed, all the different colors. This is the Sickleflow 120 ARGB fan, new frame with updated lighting and design. And up here it says it's compatible with Aura Sync, ASRock Polychrome Sync, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and it has RGB with 16.7 million colors. We'll go ahead and open this up here. So let's look at what we have in the box here. It looks like there's some mounting screws as well as a connection kit for connecting your cables right in there. The fan itself has kind of a white or transparent blade design on it, and these are supposed to be a new blade design to help improve airflow. The bearing in here is a sealed bearing structure to help keep dirt out of it. It's also got a nice little hologram on there as well. And they've got these nice little rubber pads on all four corners on both sides of the unit to help prevent rattling and shaking when it's in your PC. As well as the PWM control dynamically adjusts the fan speed. You can have it go from anywhere from 650 to 1800 RPM on this fan. There's two cables coming out of the fan here. You've got your 4-pin cable for powering the fan and speed control, and then you've got your RGB cable here, which is a 3-pin with a little pigtail on it if you do want to pigtail multiple fans together. I'm going to go ahead and install this in my computer so you can see what it looks like all set up. Alright, so I've got my Cooler Master Sickleflow 120 ARGB fan installed in my PC case here, and I'm actually using Gigabyte Fusion software. It wasn't mentioned on the box, but it seems to work great with that on my PC. I'm using a Gigabyte motherboard. Now I can easily change the color of the fan by just sliding this slider around here in Fusion, and it seems to work great with that. As well as I've got a whole bunch of presets, so maybe I want a pulse, I can do that rather than a static. I can go to a color cycle. I can go to a digital wave. And there's a whole bunch of different presets that I can use in here, all sorts of digital colors, just like that. I can also switch the speed and the brightness of the way it moves. So I can adjust that here on the screen as well very easily. And it seems to work great with this software. So I'm really happy with this Cooler Master Sickleflow 120 ARGB fan. I hope this quick overview did help you out.